Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2022 Harley-Davidson CVO Tri-Glide with 11,279 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, TPMS, keyless ignition, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and navigation. It's been upgraded with a chrome rear bumper. The Tri-Glide offers the same comfort, luxury, and rugged power as its two-wheeled siblings, but on the stability of 3 wheels. The CVO variant pushes this trike in a factory custom direction, complete with Harley's industry-famous paint and artistic details. Powered by a 117 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Tri-Glide puts 105 horsepower and 125 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,203 pounds and has a 28.9 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.